Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to chroma key your green screen inside of Filmora 11. So if you don't have the Filmora software installed yet, check the link in the description below to get the latest version of Filmora. So before we go straight into the video, if you are new to the channel, my name is Godwin. On this channel, I make how-to videos, reviews, video editing, and text-to-speech related content. So if you are interested in that kind of stuff, check out my other videos and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on future content. The first step, create a new project or open an existing project that you want to use. By the way, if you don't know what the chroma key is, it's an effect used to delete green or blue from the background of your video, giving you the option to use any background you want in your video. The next step is to import our green screen video into our timeline. To remove the green or blue screen from your video, it's super easy. Click on the board icon on the time to toggle on the chroma key feature, and it will automatically remove the green screen from your video. If it doesn't, click on the color picker and click on the green screen and it will remove it from your video. You can also make use of the other tool to correct part of the video with greens on it and click on OK to save your effect. The next step is to place a new background in our chroma key video. Drag and drop the background. It can either be a video or an image or solid color, and place it on top. And click play to preview your video. And so guys, that's how you chroma key green screen video in Filmora 11. If you found this video helpful, click the subscribe button and bell notification to not miss my upcoming videos. And see you guys in the next one. Peace.